Well, I have to tell you, this actually becomes a little more appropriate given comments from Ski and Haas. That's what your name is now, Haas?
Yeah, Haas, Nick, whatever.
This was their first record, uh, except it was a LP then, not a CD, called Ian and Sylvia in 1962. It was all traditional material because they were folk singers, and Sylvia was a great scholar of Canada in song and so forth. And then across the years, they went through other phases. I guess I can't even get the damn thing to show, can I? You can't really see it very well. They formed a rock group called the Great Speckled Bird, and they toured Canada with the Grateful Dead and the band and so
That's a
forth.
fun name.
And but they were a little ahead of their time. This was a reissue on CD of their second last record together on Columbia. And this is the one that includes their cover of Mickey and Sylvia's Love is Strange at the very end. Sylvia, by the way, wrote a hit song. It wasn't so much a hit for Ian and Sylvia as it was for the We Five. You Were on My Mind, which went to top 5 in the middle 60s or something. And it was also a hit in Britain for the guy who sang the Pied Piper. I forget his other name.
Oh.
Anyway. And Ian has written a number of songs that are classics. This came out earlier this year, Ian and Sylvia, The Lost Tapes, which is stuff from their period of time when they were on television in Canada. And they had a sort of Sonny and Cher variety show that focused on country and western singers, mostly from the U.S., coming and singing with them. But anyway, their most famous song isn't You Were on My Mind, but in fact a song that was released as a single in Canada, and was a hit there. Minor hit, but a hit. And it was in the jukeboxes, and Neil Young was in the corner drugstore or something, plugging quarter after quarter, or whatever the equivalent was. It was probably a nickel then, in the jukebox, playing this song again and again. And many years later, he covered it. He didn't cover a lot of songs until somewhat later, but he did. And this has been called by Lillian Roxon the unofficial national anthem of Canada. And it was voted best love song in Canada a few years back. Four strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. But our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. Think I'll go out to Alberta, the weather's good there in the fall. Got some friends that I can go to working for. Still I wish you'd change your mind if I asked you one last time. But we've been through that so many times before. 4 strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. But our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. If I get there before the snow flies, and if things are looking good, you could meet me if I sent you down the fair. But by then it would be winter, there's not much for you to do. And the wind sure can blow cold way out there. For strong winds that blow lonely, sudden seas that run high, all those things that never change, come what may. But our good times, they're all gone, and I am bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. For strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. But our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. For strong winds, for strong winds, for strong winds.
So Neil Young covered that song?
Yeah.